Hello, everybody. My name is Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP. And today on Partner Talks, I have Miro Majtaz from Resco. Miro, introduce yourself and tell the people what you do.
Hello, Rick. Thank you for having me. My name is Miro Majtaz, and I'm a lead product manager over here at Resco. And the last couple of years, I've been overseeing product development and related activities in the areas around field service and inspections.
Okay, that's great, Miro. Didn't mean to cut you off there, but maybe we tell the people a little bit about who Resco is as a company.
Right. So Resco is a software company, and we've been allowing mobile users, the deskless workers, to utilize CRM and work with the CRM data in the field. So basically, we are the mobility provider for major CRM backends or CRM systems, such as Dynamics, Salesforce, or also our very own Resco Cloud CRM.
So really in the dynamic space, you've been the leader in for sure enterprise and mid-market deployments for field service and other mobile applications like inspections, probably for the last 8 or 9 years.
Mm-hmm. That's true. It's maybe over a decade.
Yeah, over a decade. So you're kind of a well-known ISV in the space. So, some things are happening at Microsoft as they, switch over to their Power Apps version of mobility. Talk a little bit about sort of what's going on with the Resco app. And, there's a lot of customers out there still using Resco as their mobile solution.
Right. Okay. So it's known in the community that the mobility part of the Dynamics field service offering has been provided by Resco technology. And that's embodied in the field service mobile app and the configuration management tools. Microsoft announced 2 years ago that this situation is going to change. And after 30th of June this year, the current field service mobile app is going to be out of support, and all Dynamics field service clients need to switch to the new Dynamics field service app, which is based on Power Apps, right? And yeah, this has caused a lot of discussion in the community, a lot of questions, a lot of uncertainty. And I just want to say that the Microsoft Power App is not the only option here, right? And the clients can still continue using Resco technology. And that's by when they adopt the special Field Service 2.0 program by Resco, they can easily, I wouldn't even say transition, because they will still use the Resco technology. They can basically continue using it.
Yeah, so I think the situation is, if I'm on Resco field service with Dynamics today, the support for it's going to end with Microsoft at the end of the month, and they want you to switch to Power Apps. But there's many companies that have multiple customizations and a customized application they're using. So it's my understanding they can just go to the Resco website, register, and get an update to the latest version of Resco and just carry on using it.
That's more or less true. Yeah, I would, if I was a customer that feels that they are not going to make it the 30th of June, there's still time to transition to Resco, right? And either contact your partner or Resco. And as you said, it's basically, you don't need to rewrite anything. You continue to use your mobile setup, the mobile projects. They don't have to be changed at all. There doesn't have to be any new onboarding or retraining of your staff. So basically, you continue with Resco.
Okay, great. So let's kind of switch around a little bit and talk about your field service inspections application. That seems to be really a focus for Resco these days. So what's going on with your inspections application?
Right. Okay, so great you mentioned that, because inspections, it's sort of an additional value for the Field Service 2.0 customers, which comes with the package if customers choose to have it there. And inspections is, I would say, really the missing piece in when the company wants to go paperless and digital fully, right? So inspections is part of the Resco mobile platform. That's maybe where I would start. So that means it's fully integrated into Dynamics and the Resco mobile app. And inspections are basically, they allow creating and utilizing dynamic digital forms that without really needing to change the data model, right? So inspections are data-driven, and you don't need to, when you want to create a questionnaire or a digital form, you don't need to go and create an entity or enhance the data model. And so, and inspections are, the good thing is that they are universal. So that means that we don't dictate you how you want to use inspections. And that means that they are used in a variety of use cases.
So if we look at use cases for inspections, and we're dealing with, organizations, you got health and safety, you've got, general training, you've got, people that are doing maintenance. So there's a lot of different applications for an inspector to use this within an organization.
Mm-hmm. That's right. You mentioned some good examples. I would maybe add some more. Of course, there are various assessments, audits. Our clients use it also for merchandise ordering, for site surveys, for used materials and work instructions, and really not only in the combination with field service, but also outside in the sales scenario, in the FMCG space, so really anywhere.
So if they decide to use Resco inspections, it's more of a platform, right? So depending on what your processes are for inspections, you can pretty much customize the app to do what it need to do.
That's right. So basically, inspections, it's a set of tools. Maybe I would divide it into areas. So first, you want to create the digital forms or a workflow or whatever. So we have a designer for that, and you want to assign that digital form to somebody or to some place in the CRM app. Then there is the execution, where it's really easy for the mobile workers to go and fill out the digital inspection forms. They can also create mobile reports directly in the field. And this is all, they can be without internet connection. They can do it on their mobile device or a Windows laptop, whatever. And then the really good thing is that inspections is directly integrated with Dynamics. So the inspections answers are stored in the CRM database. So it's really easy to work with the data, either with our own tools, or the data can be further processed within tools like Power BI or others. So really, you have it within one system, within Resco in the mobile app and in the CRM database.
Okay, so that's great news, Miro. So any company that has Dynamics deployed today and needs to add inspections, it's not a big project to be able to add your app.
Not at all. And if they already use Resco, the tools are already included in the solution. So it's just the matter of starting.
So Miro, thank you for coming on to Partner Talks today. And I'm sure we'll be coming back to you in the future to find out more about what's going on with Resco and their inspection tools.
Thank you, Rick. Pleasure.
Okay, bye for now.
Bye for now. All the best.